How do I reset my stolen Apple Watch remotely?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a vital topic that's particularly important if you've unfortunately had your Apple Watch stolen. We're going to cover how to reset your Apple Watch remotely to protect your personal data. Remember, it's always essential to keep your personal information safe and secure.
What do you need to reset your Apple Watch remotely?
The first thing to know is what you need in order to reset your Apple Watch remotely. 1. Another Apple device. You can use your iPhone, iPad, or even your Mac to reset the Apple Watch remotely. 2. Internet connection. Your Apple device should have an active internet connection. 3. Apple ID. This is the same ID that you use to set up your Apple Watch.
How do you access Find My iPhone?
Next, you need to access the Find My iPhone feature on your Apple device. This is usually located in the settings under your Apple ID. Remember, even though it's called Find My iPhone, it is also used for tracking other Apple devices, including your Apple Watch.
How do you reset the stolen Apple Watch?
Now comes the main part. Here's how you can reset your stolen Apple Watch. 1. Open Find My iPhone on your Apple device. 2. Click on the Devices tab at the bottom. 3. Find and select your Apple Watch from the list. 4. Swipe up to reveal options and then tap on Erase this device. 5. Follow the prompts to erase your Apple Watch. This will restore your Apple Watch to its factory settings, thus wiping all your personal data.
What should you do next?
After you have remotely erased your Apple Watch, it's important to change your Apple ID password. This will prevent anyone from accessing your iCloud data or using other devices from your Apple ID. Also, report the theft to local authorities and your wireless carrier. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to reset your stolen Apple Watch remotely. Remember, the key is to act fast and secure your personal information as soon as possible. It's a difficult situation, but by taking these steps, you can ensure your personal data stays safe. Stay safe, and remember, your personal data is always important. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. And as always, thank you for watching.